What if I told you that everything you thought you knew about gravity was a lie? Imagine stepping into a house where the floor is above your head, the ceiling is beneath your feet, and furniture is floating in midair. Your brain screams, "This is impossible," but here is the twist. It's not. Curious fam, welcome to the Upside Down House in South Africa. A place where physics plays tricks on your mind and your senses go highway. It's not a magic trick, it's not CGI, it's a real house built to make you question reality itself. But why could anyone build such a thing? And why do visitors say it makes them feel like they're in science fiction movie gone wrong? Get ready because this story will blow your mind. Literally. Located in Hartbeespoort, just outside Johannesburg, this house looks ordinary from a distance, until you get closer. The roof is touching the ground, and the base of the house is hovering above it. It's as if a tornado picked it up, spun it around, and froze it in time. But the real mind-bending event begins when you step inside. Nothing is where it should be. The sofa hanging from the ceiling, the kitchen sink suspended in midair, the bed floating like a ghostly illusion. Even the toilet is upside down. Every instinct in your body tells you that you should be present for what the sitting, yet somehow you are standing perfectly fine. Your brain struggles to process what is happening. It's like walking through a glitch in reality. But here is the crazy part. People actually struggle to walk inside this house. Some feel dizzy, others get vertigo, and many just started laughing uncontrollably because their brain simply can't handle this illusion. But here is the question, how does it work? Is this house secretly defying the laws of physics? Nope, the answer lies in your brain vestibular system, the part of your inner ear controlling balance. Normally, your brain relies on three things to understand the worlds around you. Number one, your vision, what your eye sees. Number two, your body's position, what your muscles and joints feel. And lastly, your inner ear, the part that senses motion and balance. But when these signals don't match up, like when you are in a tilted room, your brain goes into a panic mode. Your eyes sees a normal room, but your body feels like it's been pulled sideways. This creates an effect called gravity confusion, which is the reason why some people feel like they are falling while they are standing still. The house itself is built at an angle, but because everything inside is also flipped upside down, it creates the illusion that gravity has completely gone wrong. It's like a real-life optical illusion, a trick your brain can't unsee. The upside-down house isn't just some random tourist attraction, it's a psychological experiment, a work of art and a mind-bending adventure all in one. The idea came from a group of creative architects and designers who wanted to challenge the way we see the world. Similar houses existed in Germany, Poland, and Turkey, but South Africa's version is extra special. But here is where it really gets wild. These aren't just copy-pastes, upside-down houses, each one is stepping into an alternate universe with its own strange twist. Germany, the Toppel's house. In the quiet town of Trassenheim, Germany, there is a house that looks like it been dropped from the sky and landed on its roof, frozen in that exact moment of chaos. From the outside, it's already surreal, but stepping inside, that is when your senses betray you. Every single object, from the dining table to family portrait, is screwed to the ceiling. Even the toilet, roll it upside down. Here is the widest part. Because the entire structure is slightly tilted, your brain is constantly trying to correct your balance, and you end up feeling like you are walking uphill on the ceiling. Some visitors report leaving the place feeling like they have just gotten off a spinning carnival ride. Poland, the Zimbak house. In the tiny village of Zimbak, Poland, there is a house that doesn't just play your reality, it plays history itself. From the outside, it looked like an old Polish wooden cottage planted firmly on its roof, but inside the floor creates a view. The furniture hangs like it's clinging for dear life, and the walls are decorated with relics from Poland communist era, all upside down. It's designed as a political statement, a metaphor for the topsy-turvy time the country endured in the 20th century. Tourists who enter often say it's more disorienting than its look in pictures, because your mind keeps insisting you should fold upwards. And that tension never stops the whole time you are inside. Turkey, the Antalya gravity trap. In Antalya, Turkey sits a bold red upside-down house that feels like a movie set from a sci-fi comedy. The moment you enter, your brain is assaulted by impossible sights. A washing machine hanging above your head, chandeliers growing from the top, and even a car parked on the ceiling as if it's the most normal thing in the world. This one is designed with photo-op madness in mind. Every corner is staged so visitors can take gravity-defying selfies that make it look like they are walking on walls or doing push-ups on ceiling. People travel here just to confuse their friends online with pictures that look like they broke the laws of physics. So whether it's Germany's dizzying tales, Poland's political twist, or Turkey's selfie playground, each of these upside-down houses isn't just a building. It's a direct attack on your brain comfort zone. And South Africa's, well, that is the one that combines all of these tricks into one mind-melting experience. Why? Because it was built not just to shock and confuse, but to make people rethink their perspective on reality. Think about it. What if the way we see the world is just an illusion? What if we are stuck seeing things in only one way when in reality there are infinite perspectives? It's not just about fun and games, it's about breaking free from ordinary thinking. So what happens when you really enter this house? Absolute chaos. Some people walk in and instantly lose their balance, feeling like they're being pulled sideways. Others try to sit on the ceiling furniture, completely forgetting that it's bolted in place. Tourists pretend to be Spider-Man, walking on what looks like the ceiling and posting it online. And then they are the confused ones, who just stand there frozen. Their brains struggle to process this madness. It's an Instagrammer's paradise, a photographer's dream, and a scientist's puzzle all in one building. But let's get to the real question. Does this house prove that reality is an illusion? This house is a fun tourist attraction, but it also raises some big philosophical questions. If your brain can be tricked so easily, if something as simple as a tilted house can make you question your gravity itself, what else about your reality isn't what it seems? Think about it, everything we believe about the world is based on our senses. But what if our senses are wrong? What if what we call normal is just one version of reality, and there are other perspectives we haven't even considered? This house isn't just a fun experience, it's a reminder that the way we see the world isn't always the full truth. The Upside Down House is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a brain teaser, a reality bender, and a wake up to question what we think is real. So the next time you feel stuck in life, just remember, sometimes all it takes is a shift in perspective to flip your world upside down. Now tell me, could you dare to step inside? Or better,